ngiyabingelela nonke enibuka ivideo le. Njengokusho sengenza ilo senza energy and power la. Ya kodwa kuseyiwork le energy theorem. Ya equation le ngiyitholile. Statement zakhona sithi a block of mass 2 kg is released from rest at point P and slide down a rough curved slope from a vertical height of 2 meters. Nayi block of 2 kg bayidelelile lana bayi-release from rest excuse from rest basho ukuthi shuthi velocity yayo ngoba bethi kade kwi-rest la bavele bayidedela kanje then yasizehlela yona shuthi makuko njalo sisho ukuthini if initial velocity yayo kuba ile kade inayo kusukela ingakathinto iubani leyo velocity leyo since beyi-release bengayipushana i-velocity yakhona initial ithatha nje ukuthi izoba u0 ngoba bisamile initial izoba u0 meters per second but iyehla laphana kuyini kwi-rough curved slope nasi slope sakhona si-rough bese ngoba bethi si-rough basho ukuthi kune-friction ekhona la shuthi asikho smooth akukho plane la kuney'khinzi yabo basho lokho mabethi ku-rough lana-ke kusho ukuthini kusho ukuthi njengoba yehla la ngeke yehle ngespeed esikhulu lezi ikhinzi zizoloku zinciphisa ispeed sayo kodwa ngoba kuyehlela uzobona ngeke sinciphe ethi faster rate then i-height yakhona kuthiwa ime kuyo i-2 meters nansi 2 meters height le ukuba ngaphezulu from i-ground le then islope sakhona lesi sho ukuthi i-2 meters above the ground le abasinike yona then basibethi is shown in the diagram below. It reaches the lowest position point Q bathi reacha indawo le lapha phansi point Q isuka la lowest position ile i-height ephansi le then at a speed of 5 meters per second as ifika la ispeed zayo siba ngo5 meters per second yabona mayifika nje la phansi ispeed esuyamaza suke so5 meters per second yabo ilokho as ila ifika phansi base bethi is the mechanical energy conserved while the block slide down the slope. Give a reason for answer for only 2 marks 2 points. Why bayabuza ukuthi ngabe i-mechanical energy i-conserved yini ukuze i-mechanical energy ibe conserved kumele kungabikho ama-non-conservative forces sisho sisho njalo kumele kungabikho ama-forces enza ukuthi ispeed sale object lesi sinciphe uyabona iyona into esisho le shuthi kumele kungabikho i-frictional force ngabikho i-tension uyabona into kanjalo then iyona ke ama-non-conservative forces lawo ngoba engekho ke okay ngathi ngoba engekho la ukuze ibe conserved angithi bayasibuza ukuthi mechanical energy conserved yini since ku-rough la ku-rough kusho ukuthi kune-frictional force ezo experience ileli block leli malisuka lize lizofika la kusho ukuthi ke i-mechanical energy ayikho conserved uyabona iyona into esho la kusho ukuthi energy ye-block ade linayo lisasela le-potential energy le shothi tight ngeke ilo ayikho conserved qhathanisa nalelo kunjani yakhona le kinetic energy ngoba ngana kunani kune-frictional force eloki i-consumer i-energy yenza ukuthini ke ukuconsumer bayenza njani yenza ukuthi mhlambe kube khona i-heat ekhandekayo isikhathi yehlala kulezi khinzi izoloku ishayiseka then yabo kune-energy elahlekayo ke econvertekayo ke ibe enye indlela then mase bethi shuthi sothini la give a reason for answer is kind of mechanical energy is not conserved ngobani kunama non-conservative forces is not conserved. They are non-conservative forces ungasho njalo. Even non-conservative forces ilokhu njani i-kinetic friction, then there is a non-conservative force uzosho njalo. Or the surface is rough, ungasho kanjalo. Bese bethi lana state work energy theorem in words. Uyastate la i-work energy theorem in words as iformula yakhona ithini, ithi work net is uyistate ngale formula le is equal to change in ek kanje. State uthini, it is the total work done or the net work done acting on an object is equal to the net work done acting on an object is equal to the change in object's kinetic energy. Yabo istate kanjalo. Ya lokho ke ngicabanga ukuthi isikhala ngoba sesincane lana nikuzwile. Bese lana uthi 5.3 use the work energy theorem to calculate the work done by the kinetic frictional force experienced by the block as it slides from P to Q. Kufuneka lana i-work done by frictional force. Uyabona, wafuna ukwazi ukuthi ingakanani le energy ekade ilahleka ngenxa yokuba khona kwe-frictional force lapha kuleya object, since iku-rough la. Wabuza leyo energy ukuthi ingakanani. Base sisebenzisa ini i-work energy theorem. Kumele ulandeleke i-statement sabo lesi njalo usolve ngendlela abasho ngayo. Mabethi use work energy theorem basho ukuthi sisebenzisa le formula le ukuze usolve. Then okay, so singayibhala ithi work net